Hello and welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make turmeric greeting card. So let's get started. Firstly, do subscribe to my channel, and if you have a 300 GSM sheet, then you can use that sheet directly, and if you don't have, then you can take two thin sheets and paste them. Now take your sheet and fold it from the half, and now take turmeric and water and make a thin solution of it. Now take your 12 number round brush and start applying turmeric on your first fold of the card as shown in the video. Let it dry completely and then take any rough cloth and press it gently on whole sheet so that all granules gets removed from it. Press it so gently. Now take your last fold and apply turmeric on it also. Now take one more sheet and half it up and now fold it once more as shown in the video. Now cut it from all sides so that it becomes smaller than our greeting card sheet. Now fold it again into the half and now cut it into random directions for making our stencil. You can cut in any shape, any size, but make sure your paper is not come into pieces. You can also see I am cutting in random direction, and if you want to cut it from between, then you can fold it half again and then cut. Now my stencil sheet is ready. Now take your greeting card first sheet and just hold this stencil sheet on our greeting card sheet properly, and take your detergent powder and water and make a soap solution of it. And now start applying this using your 3 or 4 number flat brush, and apply this properly, and there must no yellow space be visible when you have kept the stencil on it. And hold the stencil sheet very tightly so that the soap solution doesn't get any other side, because if it will go, then your card will ruin. Apply this soap solution on all the sides. There must be no yellow space visible. And do not forget to subscribe my channel for more new updates. Now you can see I have applied the soap solution. Now just remove your stencil sheet very gently. Now our front portion is ready. Now open this card, and inside you can write anything whichever you like. I have written happy anniversary. Now I am using soap solution for making the borders of my inner card. You can also draw any other pattern or design if you want rather than this border. Now you can see I have made the whole border. Now our greeting card is ready. So thanks for watching my video.